The Kingbull Jumper Go electric mountain bike is a remarkable example of engineering focused on performance and reliability, designed to meet the demands of riders tackling challenging landscapes. From its bold visual profile to its comprehensive feature set, the Jumper Go demonstrates a careful balance of power, comfort, and practicality. When tested on the winding, paved roads and unpredictable gravel paths of the North Georgia mountain region, this bike proved itself capable of delivering consistent support and ride quality under a wide range of conditions. At the heart of the Jumper Go's appeal is its modern yet rugged design. The aluminum alloy frame features a full suspension layout which houses a seamless integrated battery for a clean silhouette. The step-through configuration lowers the entry point, making mounting and dismounting effortless. Even when the ground is uneven, threaded cable routing passes through the frame, protecting the wiring from debris and enhancing longevity. The space gray finish complements the bike's robust lines, giving it a confident, purposeful look that suggests readiness for any challenge. Underneath the attractive exterior lies a sturdy yet lightweight chassis. The tapered head tube and 12mm through axles contribute to precise steering and structural integrity, while the guided internal routing safeguards critical components against moisture and dirt. This attention to build quality extends to the removable battery, which locks securely in place, yet can be detached swiftly for charging. The frame is rated for riders between 5'3" and 6'7", accommodating a wide range of heights and can support up to 450 pounds, affirming its reputation as a dependable workhorse. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. Unboxing the bike is straightforward, and all necessary tools for assembly are included. First, I removed the packaging straps and opened the box by carefully removing the tape and pulling the box free of the staples. Then I laid the box down. I slid the e-bike out carefully. Stand the e-bike up and remove all zip ties and protective foam, revealing the sleek design of the Kingbull Jumper Go e-bike. Install the handlebars by loosening the bolts on the bike stem, centering the handlebars and rotating them to align with your preferred riding position before tightening the bolts securely. For the front wheel, loosen the bolts of the protective bar on the front fork. Add the front wheel and tighten the bolts to ensure it is secure. The pedals are clearly marked for the left and right sides, matching the pedal stems. Screw in the pedals and use a wrench to further tighten them easily. Install the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, attaching the headlamp, and then adjusting its orientation to face forward. Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. Delivering the bike's forward thrust is a BAFANG G063 750 watt brushless hub motor, capable of generating up to 80 Newton meters of torque. This power unit responds immediately to rider input, propelling the bike forward with sufficient force to overcome steep grades common in mountainous terrain. On paved climbs where gradients tighten suddenly, the motor kicks in smoothly, trimming away the strain typically experienced on a traditional bike. Meanwhile, the hub design ensures a quiet operation, allowing the rider to focus on the ride rather than mechanical noise. The bike weighs 81 pounds. For some reason, when riding this bike, it feels extremely light compared to other fat tire e-bikes that I've ridden. The bike is light but quite powerful. Anyone that has ridden the roads of the North Georgia mountains knows that the hills here are no joke. Complementing the motor is a Samsung 48 volt, 960 watt hour lithium battery, which provides dependable energy storage and consistent power output across its full discharge curve. Official range figures claim up to 80 miles under moderate conditions, and real-world testing confirms that the Jumper Go can exceed 50 miles on a mix of paved and gravel surfaces before requiring a recharge. Even when the terrain shifts to loose gravel, demanding higher torque levels, the battery-held system maintains its voltage and support sustained peak performance without significant voltage sag. Distinctive among assist systems, the Jumper Go features a torque sensor that measures the rider's pedaling force in real time. This allows the motor to provide proportional support matching the rider's own effort rather than simply activating when the pedals turn. The result is a natural feeling, fluid engagement throughout the entire range of pedal assist modes. For climbs where traction is limited, the sensor ensures that power delivery never overwhelms the rear wheel, preventing unwanted wheel spin and preserving momentum even on slick or dusty surfaces. Ride comfort and control benefit greatly from the full suspension architecture. A Zoom 879DH coil spring fork offers 100 millimeters of travel to soak up impacts from rocks, roots, and ruts. At the rear, the DNM AO 38RC air shock with hydraulic damping and rebound adjustment provides another 50 millimeters of travel to support and smooth out sudden jolts, whether charging over rough gravel tracks or cruising smoothly along paved sections. The suspension system keeps the rider securely planted, reducing fatigue and enhancing confidence over extended rides. Wide 20-inch by 4-inch Kenda K1188 tires further enhance stability and traction. Their large volume cushioning minor obstacles and improving grip on loose or uneven ground. The puncture-resistant design lends peace of mind when tackling thorny underbrush or gravel-strewn shoulders, reducing the risk of flats in remote areas. Cornering on compacted gravel becomes a composed affair, with the tires gripping the surface and resisting lateral slip while on pavement. The extra contact patch delivers a reassuring planted feel. Stopping power is provided by Tektro HD E3940 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes equipped with 180mm rotors front and rear. The dual-side piston arrangement ensures uniform pad engagement and delivers strong, predictable braking force, even when descending steeper paved sections at speeds near the bike's 28 mph limit. The braking system remains composed, offering smooth modulation without abrupt lockout. On loose gravel, the same brakes inspire confidence by allowing the rider to scrub speed effectively without dumping traction. Shifting performance on the Jumper Go is handled by a Shimano SL M315 8-speed trigger shifter and a matching RD M310 rear derailleur. The compact cassette ranges from 13 to 32 teeth, providing suitable ratios for both uphill grinds and flat sprints. Gear changes occur crisply under pedaling load, and chain retention remains solid even over washboard gravel. In concert with the torque-sensitive assist, the drivetrain fosters efficient power transfer, ensuring the rider stays in the optimal cadence zone regardless of changing gradients. Ergonomics are thoughtfully addressed through adjustable contact points. A breathable saddle with perforated grooves promotes airflow, minimizing heat buildup on longer rides, while the SP601 seat post allows fine-tuning of saddle height and setback. The HB820 handlebar sits at shoulder width, providing a natural wrist position and effective leverage for controlling the bike on technical terrain. Rubber HT 420 grips offer a comfortable slip-resistant surface, and the AS507 stem positions the bars at an ergonomic height for visibility and control. Onboard electronics include a KB35H custom color LED display that presents real-time statistics at a glance. Brightness auto-adjusts to ambient light conditions, ensuring legibility under direct sunlight or in shaded forest corridors. The display offers quick access to speed, battery level, assist mode, and trip distance, and can toggle between metric and imperial units. A twist-type throttle provides instant power independent of pedaling, granting riders an additional surge when needed to clear obstacles or regain momentum on sloped trail sections. Utility features round out the package by adding practical load carrying and illumination capabilities. The integrated rear rack, constructed from lightweight aluminum, supports up to 150 pounds, making it suitable for panniers or cargo bags laden with tools, spares, or picnic gear. Front and rear LED lights draw power from the main battery, casting a wide beam for low light riding and alerting others to the rider's presence. These lights activate through the display interface, simplifying operation without requiring external battery packs. When taken into the field, the Kingbull Jumper Go shines on the winding mountain roads and gravel lanes that characterize the North Georgia landscape. The motor delivers calm, consistent thrust for climbing steep grades, while the suspension absorbs bumps and washboard sections to maintain rider momentum. Tight switchbacks on pavement feel controlled, with the wide tires gripping securely and the brakes offering gradual, reliable modulation. On loose gravel segments, the bike's weight and tire volume combine to tame vibration and improve ride predictability, making it easy to maintain speed without suffering jolts through the frame. Over extended outings, the comfort and support built into the Jumper Go encourages riders to push farther and tackle more challenging routes. The supple yet firm suspension setup and ergonomic contact points reduce physical strain, while the sensor-driven assist system ensures that riders' energy is amplified in tune with their pedaling input. Even as elevation gains rack up and terrain shifts from smooth pavement to coarse gravel, the Jumper Go remains composed, responsive, and intuitive to operate. In summary, the Kingbull Jumper Go electric mountain bike stands out as a confident, capable partner for exploring the twists and turns of wood-lined mountain roads and the uneven gravel shoulders of North Georgia. Its powerful motor, long-lasting battery, responsive suspension, and robust components form a system that supports riders through demanding terrain without complicated controls or unnecessary weight. For anyone seeking a bike that blends serious off-road performance with day-to-day practicality, the Jumper Go offers a compelling balance of features that transform ambitious rides into achievable adventures. E-bike novice riders will appreciate the intuitive assist modes and step-through frame, while more experienced riders value the responsive power delivery and precise handling. And long-term ownership should also benefit from the straightforward serviceability of the Jumper Go. The sealed inline wiring harness simplifies post-ride cleanup, and the air spring rear shock can be serviced by common suspension shops. Replacement parts from brake pads to Kenda tires and Shimano cassettes are widely available, keeping maintenance costs in check. Firmware updates for the controller can be applied via the display port, ensuring the system evolves with performance improvements. Ultimately, the Kingbull Jumper Go delivers a complete riding package that transitions seamlessly between urban commuting and rugged mountain excursions. Its robust construction stands up to daily use, yet the bike feels surprisingly nimble on narrow forest roads. The intuitive assist, responsive chassis, and thoughtful component selection combine to create a versatile machine that consistently rises to the challenges of North Georgia's diverse landscape. With the Jumper Go beneath you, every ride becomes not just a commute or a trail run, but an invitation to discover new routes with confidence and joy. Thanks for watching, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this electrifying journey. This is Jeremy Vinny signing off. We'll see you on the next one.